Ipiano City, I think Major League.
Yeah.
The other ones.
Yes.
Yeah. It was such a good experience. Ukusebenza nabo. Yeah, even though they're kind of scary. I'm scared of them. But
Scary?
Yeah. Yeah.
Are they scary or intimidating?
Maybe it's it wasn't easy. But it's an amazing experience. Yeah, it was so good. Yeah, I had time. Yeah.
Lily Faith, how has piano?
Masikhuluma iqiniso bafethu nayidaphiwa bafethu usebenza smart emsebenza nzima. And la kule video nimamele qobo phela manje lapha e-break down khona ukuthi siyasebenzeni ne-Major League which like iVAR bafethu. Unengoma abayishayile bathi impilo emnandi. I-Major League feature uNaldaphiwe yaphinda yafeature uNkosazana Daughter banjala ngoma wathi impilo emnandi. Best ingoma bafethu ngepiano if aniyazi ngepiano is out iphumile is outside there. If you're interested just to search nje any digital platform like lapho khona umculo search nje Major League featuring Naldaphiwe Nkosazana Daughter impilo emnandi izovela ingoma bafethu ingoma emnandi kakhulu ngepiano even the music video yakhona sebewenzile it's out there. I understand that ngaba no streamer bafethu but into engifuna ukukhuluma ngayo balekile lana like iMajor League has been supporting uNaledi and manhlala phansi bheka iMajor League like isebenze kakhulu noTris Brown. I understand that even the time uTris Brown like she was interested for ukusampula ivideo kaNaledi for ishooter wakhuluma neMajor League i-team kaTris Brown yakhuluma neMajor League and then iMajor League yaxhumanisa uNaledi no Trish Brown team and then lapho khona ishooter bafethu. You understand and then nadotshela ama royalties wakhe neyibolo nto leyo so indlela abahlangana ngayo leyo indlela la kwasetshenziswana ngayo and since from lapho iMajor League zange vele yamlahlela ngaphandle Naldaphiwe has been there bemsupporta and then bembonisa uthando naye eyibolo nto leyo because I'm saying this. And then recently nje sokudala lapho bedropa khona iPiano City like whereby like bedropa khona ivideo kaNaledi performer which like ba partnership ne Lucky Star besebenzisana bebonke which like uNaledi wafika lapha just for a live performance and then she did that and she was the best performance. Understand if anibukelanga naye bafethu it's outside then vibe bafethu noyibukela ikhona iphumile ingaphandle bafethu nice mashlef song ara bafethu okulinyezinga bafethu. It shows it's Major League bafethu it's supporting uNaldaphiwe. They see this potential uTris Brown wayibona kubani uNaldaphiwe bafethu.